Hi everyone, this is Umar Siddiqui, and this is another part of the Samsung Galaxy Note 4 series. So in this video what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you some more features of Note 4, specifically how you can use the S Pen that comes with the phone to be more productive. So I'm going to fire up the browser real quick right here. So with the S Pen you can actually what you can do is you can use the S Pen to capture pieces of information from any app that you are using. So for example, if I'm just browsing the web and I found an interesting piece of text or image or something, so I just take out the S Pen from my phone and it will show me this air command. Okay, and the air command has various options and you'll just go through all of them one by one. So this air command, the first one is the first option is smart select. So when I choose smart select like this, I have the option to select any part of the screen like this, and when I release the pen, that part that I selected is clipped and it kind of gives me the option to do whatever I want with it. So at this point I can choose to save this part in my clipboard or scrapbook. Okay, so it's added to my collections and it shows me an icon, and then I can continue browsing the web like I was doing before. Okay, and then I found another interesting piece of information. So I can either put the pen back like this and take it out. Okay, or if the pen is already out, I can just tap this small button on the pen and it will show me the same menu. Okay, again I can do smart select and I can select this image and save it to my collections. Okay, now in my collections I have two images, as you can see. Okay, for some reason I'm unable to scroll them. Let's see in the portrait mode. Okay, so I have two images. I probably selected a smaller image in the first image, and then I can add that to my scrapbook. My scrapbook, save, and the item is saved in the scrapbook. And then I can go to my scrapbook and I can export those images to Evernote or share them on Facebook or any other kind of social media, or use it for later, bookmark it, do whatever I want with that image that I have clipped or that I have collected using the S Pen. Now continuing with the S Pen, another option of the S Pen, another feature of the S Pen, the air command, is that I can clip the image like I'm clipping a piece of information or image from a newspaper or a magazine. So using the S Pen I can just do like this. I can draw and the image will be clipped using that shape, and then I have options to refine that clipping. So I can make it a square, I can make it a circle, or leave it like that. So let's make it a square so that it looks better, and then I can save it to my scrapbook. My scrapbook, saved. Saving item in scrapbook. Okay, the next option is screen write. So in screen write what happens is that it takes the screenshot of the screen, and then using the S Pen I can write on the screen like this. Okay, and then I can save it, and it's saved in my S Note application. And then I can go back to S Note and export it, or further edit it, or do whatever I want with that screenshot. So it could be a map, it could be a picture, it could be a note, it could be anything. And using the S Pen, I just took it out from that particular app that I'm using and exported it to S Note. And once it is in S Note, I can then further export it to other applications. So that's a really cool feature of Samsung Galaxy Note, the S Pen, and all the power it gives you to be more productive and basically eliminate paper and live a paperless lifestyle. So that's it for this part. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.